you want to learn how to make GMVs just like the ones we usually make, but don't know where to start because there isn't any tutorial videos anywhere online, then you've come to the right place. All you gotta do is choose Jacker's GMV Secrets tier below and sign up, and you'll get instant access to never before seen exclusive training videos going over how I'd make a GMV and all the technical issues that comes with it on YouTube. This is something you have never seen before in the entirety of the GMV community, and most of the things I teach will probably never be seen again by another editor of my standard. I go over starting a project from scratch to showcasing every technique I use when editing, as well as my rendering settings for HD and 4K GMVs. And I even go through the most sought after information, how to specifically monetize your GMV channel from reused content, as well as sexually gratifying content. There is so much to discover that you will get instant access once you sign up. And the best part is, unlike in school, I'm not gonna bury you in debt for thousands of dollars because you get all these hidden knowledge for just $29 a month. And if you join but don't think it's worth it, then you could personally email me and I will refund you the money. Again, these tutorial videos made specifically for GMV editors are not available anywhere else. This is just more exclusive information for you guys who want to learn my secrets. So sign up below and I will see you on the other side.
Watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when